Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming who owns the material and what license applies. You must obtain written permission if the work is not public domain or appropriately licensed. Once you have permission, document the terms and save the communication. If permission is unavailable, plan a clear transformation. Add commentary, narration, or significant visual changes so the use is clearly new and contextual. Make sure to note why your use is non-infringing. Now you focus on making the work into something new and defensible. You should add original voiceover, critique, or new footage so your post is not a simple repost. Once done, preserve a changelog that lists edits, timestamps, and sources. This supports fair use arguments later. Make sure to export with clear metadata and keep raw files. If possible, favor short excerpts or lower-resolution previews to reduce risk when full reproduction isn't essential. Upload with a concise caption that explains your transformation and credits the original creator where appropriate. Once posted, monitor notifications and save the tweet URL and timestamps. If you receive a copyright notice, review your documentation and consider a DMCA counter notice only if you are confident in your legal position. Consult an attorney before filing. If the platform removes content, try contacting the claimant for permission or a license, and retain all correspondence as evidence in case you must escalate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.